A very warm day, everyone. This is your Valli, addressing from SLVEM School, Jagapati Nagar, dealing with the subject English. So, children, in the last video, we discussed about the Happy Prince section 2 that the sparrow will finally stay with the Happy Prince. Why? Because the prince is blind. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about the conclusion of the lesson, The Happy Prince. Okay, children, look at the video clearly. Now I am going with the section 3. Look at the picture and the matter. The prince wanted the swallow to fly over the town and tell him what he saw. Then the prince said that you don't want to stay with me. Do one thing. You can fly all over the country and look at the country and what is going on and who are facing problems, who want help. Just look on everywhere and come back and said to me. Just like that, the prince asked the swallow. One day, one day, the swallow saw two little boys sitting under a bridge trying to keep each other warm. See, there are two boys. There are two boys who is sitting under the bridge, below the bridge, keeping them warm. Get some hot, but because the time is very cold. Along came a policeman. Suddenly there came a policeman and told them to go to home. The policeman came there and asked the two boys to go to their home. He not know that they had no home to go. The policeman asked the two boys to go to home, but the policeman did not know that the boys are orphans. No one is there to look care of those two boys. They just got up and went out hand in hand into the rain. Then it is also raining. Cold and very rainy time. So the boys holded his hands. That means catched his one hands to hand in hand and moved to rain. Okay. Look at this. I am moving the page and look. When he heard the prince was very sad. While listening about this story by Swallow, the prince was very sad. I have no gems left, he said, but my clothes are made of gold. You must peck off a bit and give it to those poor people. Then the prince said, I have no gems. My two gems on two eyes and one gem on sword already gone off. We helped with the people, but I don't have now any gems to offer to the poor people. So do one thing. My clothes, the statue's clothes are made of gold. You can take a small piece from my clothes and give it to the poor boys. Every day the swallow saw someone who needed help, and before long all the gold on the prince had been given away. He stood on top of his pillar looking dull and grey, but the faces of the poor children were no longer white. Their cheeks were red, and their thin arms and legs grew nice and round. They had no longer had to beg for bread. It's a very good story. Why? Because every day the swallow taking some piece of gold from the clothes of the prince and helping the poor people, poor children. While after helping, the poor people are able to eat healthy food. They have home. They are happy. Their thin body becomes fat. Their legs are happy, and there is no situation to beg for bread. They had their own food. Okay. Then the snow came. Then at the last of the winter season, the snow came. The poor little swallow got colder and colder, but he would not leave the prince. At last he knew that his end had come. Goodbye, dear prince, he whispered as he felt at the statue's feet. Okay. Every day, for some years and years, the poor swallow helped the poor people. But one fine day, the cold the very hot, the very severe cold affects the health of the swallow, and it's also the swallow also become old. When at the time when they are started helping, the swallow is a little one. After so many years of helping, the swallow becomes older. It was unable to move. So the swallow understand that it it was there. It was the last days of the swallow. That means the swallow's lives come to end. Then the swallow said, "Goodbye, dear prince," and fell on statue's feet. And fell on statue's feet. "Goodbye," replied the prince, and something broke inside him. It was his heart. After the death of the swallow, suddenly the statues, the heart of the happy prince's heart on the statue also broken. That means breaking. When the swallow dead, the heart of the happy prince statue also broken, divided. The next day, the mayor and the town councillor passed by the pillar and looked up at the statue. So the next day, after breaking the heart of the happy prince, and some famous officers like mayor and town councillors come to visit the pillar, come to visit the statue and look. "Dear me, how shabby our prince looks," they cried. "He seems to have lost his all jewels and someone has stolen his gold clothes." While looking the statue, the town councillors, the officers felt that someone stolen the beautiful jewelry and beautiful gold clothes of the prince. "See how our prince is looking without clothes." They felt someone is stolen the clothes and the valuable items on the statue. But actually what happened? The prince offered their ornaments to the poor people. But the people didn't know. Who can know about this all? The swallow and the happy prince statue only know about the hell. "We will do better take the statue down," said another councillor. Then the other councillor said, "Okay, we can keep down the statue of the happy prince." "Mine, of course," said the mayor. Then the mayor said, "Okay, we can." They looked down the prince's statue and melted the lead to make the new one. But the workmen found a broken heart inside that would not melt. But they want to. It's made of lead, right? It's a lead item. So while heating the statue, they can reshape the statue. But what will happen? They given the statue to the workman. But the workman observed a thing that the heart inside the statue does not melt. Why? Because so they thought it on the dust heap where the little red swallow was lying. That night, the heart did not melt. The heart of the happy prince did not melt. So they think that they will keep the heart of the happy prince where the dead body, where the dead creature of the swallow is lying. So they felt they want to keep the heart of the happy prince at the place where the dead body of the swallow is lying. Okay, that night God told his angels, "Bring me the two most things in this town." On that time, God told his angels from the heaven. The God ordered the angels to bring me the two most precious, wonderful things in this town. Then the angels taken that, they brought him the broken heart and the dead swallow. Then the angels taken the broken heart of the prince and dead swallow. Then the God said, "You are right. You are right. You taken the most beautiful and valuable things from this town. The little bird shall always sing in my garden of paradise, and the happy prince shall praise my name forever." Yes, you taken a most beautiful, wonderful, precious things to me. Why? Because the little swallow can sing a beautiful songs in my heaven, my paradise, and the beautiful heart, the broken heart of the prince will always remember my name. This was a beautiful, very wonderful story written by Oscar Wilde. While I'm teaching to you students, I felt emotional. I felt emotional with the lesson. Why? Because it's a wonderful lesson. Okay, children, this is the end of the moment. Thank you, everyone.